Next is to find the general expression for all the angles having given cosecant, secant and cotangent. Now we have already gone through the sine, cosine and tangent. So based on these things, based on these three things, we are having the same results. Now let's check it. Now number 1, for cosecant. Now we know cosecant theta is equal to cosecant alpha. Just to utilize the space, I am just starting from here. Now number 1. Cosecant theta is equal to cosecant alpha. Now reciprocal form, 1 upon sin theta is equal to 1 upon sin alpha, and this becomes sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Now for when sin theta is equal to sin alpha, what we were having? We were having here, therefore theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n with alpha, where n belongs to I. Okay. Now number 2, secant theta is equal to secant alpha. 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon cos alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Now using the cos result, therefore theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to integers. Then number 3, to cotangent we are writing cot theta is equal to cot alpha. Cot theta is equal to cot alpha. Now 1 upon tan theta is 1 upon tan alpha. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Okay. Therefore theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to integers. Now the basic thing is that result for sine and cosecant are same, result for cos and secant are same, and result for tan and cotangent are same.